Good morning, students. A very, very hearty good morning. And today, I think everybody stay safe and calm in their homes. Yeah, already you are having a lockdown, and there is outbreak of COVID-19, leading to significant changes in all walks of life, including education. And I mean, we expect that there are going to be some changes. There's going to be more leaning towards online education, and keeping in line with these changes, we are introducing online courses for CSR Net Gate, MSc Life Sciences, considering that we are having a lockdown. Now, some of the questions are going to be there in the mind of the students. Why online? Because people have already always preferred offline. Now let me tell you some advantages of offline courses over offline. Now, one of the main advantage of online courses is you are studying from the confines of your home. You have absolute comfort. You just need to plug in your earphones, listen to the lectures, and start understanding. Very affordable. I mean, if you consider them with respect to offline, they are going to be quite cheap. You can discuss about the cost of the program with us. You will have much better concentration. There is no disturbance, etc. And these courses you can take not only from your city itself, like you don't need to move towards any particular city, take a PG. All these hassle fee you can take from any city in India. Sitting back at home, you can study. No need for traveling, no need for any other expenses. You study at their home itself. You are quite safe because you are not traveling, you are not coming late from the tuition center, so you are quite safe. And the best thing is you are taking these courses from the best of faculties. Now you might be in a city where you don't have any good center for CSR coaching or GATE coaching or MSc coaching, so you are still studying in Delhi, but from the confines of your home. So this makes it awesome, really awesome. Now, one of the thing which always is the mind of the students is live versus recorded. See, we are going to provide you live lectures. Now this live lecture means we can always interact. Student can ask questions. Whatever doubts are there, we can have doubt sessions. There are going to be test series, class notes, YouTube support, motivational classes, study material, assignments. Everything is going to be there. And these programs, these are some other features. Now, what exactly do you need for these courses? You just need a laptop, a computer, and a high-speed internet connection. That's all what you need for these courses. And we are having these courses for all walks of life sciences and biotechnology, MSc, BSc, BTech, MTech, and you can give exams like CSR, GATE, DU. All exams we are catering to. And what exactly you need to see, registration is open. For joining, you can contact at these numbers or the landline numbers. Get in touch with us. If you want demo lectures, you want to make up your mind, take 2-3 demo lectures, make up your mind, and then you decide quickly. So I think that's it. If you have any more questions, you can visit, you can mail us, you can contact us, and I think that's it. Thank you, students. Stay safe, stay cool, stay calm. Okay, see you then. Bye.